GrooveFunnels review video.
This software will save your time and money with ready-to-use solutions and grow your business faster than you thought possible. What is Groove? GrooveCM is a state-of-the-art, all-in-one marketing software suite that is also a standalone substitute for many well-known software and tools currently used in online businesses. The Groove platform supplies around 97% of all your marketing software needs and is designed to help you run a successful online business. If you haven't tried this latest and greatest internet marketing tool yet, then you should follow the links on this page and get your free for life account to try it out for yourself. Is GrooveFunnels better than ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a tool that builds sales funnels for online marketers, giving them the ability to create and launch their own sales funnels using high-quality templates that can be adapted. Creating and editing content is easy, thereby making it ideal for every type of online business. However, it has been created by marketers and is very expensive. It is also built on older technology. With GrooveCM, you can create both landing pages and websites using ready-made and well-designed templates that you can fully customize. Or you can build your own in a number of different ways. Groove is fantastic value for money, and you can even use it free for life. It also uses the latest technology and is specifically built for the Google Mobile First policy. Why not try both out and see which is best? You can do that by following the link below this video.
GrooveFunnels review video.
Hundreds of thousands of people use Groove to sell and promote their products and services online. Why not join them? Groove Marketing Tools. Marketing tools are essential for any business, bricks and mortar businesses looking to go online, existing digital companies, a sole business enterprise, or internet marketers who want to build an income from home. GrooveCM is a suite of online business tools designed for business owners, but without the complexity of setting up or the expensive price tag. Groove is not only easy to use, it is also free. Your free Groove digital account includes access to 20 powerful online tools. So, if you already have marketing tools that are costing you money, and you are looking to reduce your monthly expenses, Groove is for you. If you are just getting started with your online business, and your budget is tight, Groove is for you. So go ahead and check out Groove. Do it today, while it is still free. Groove Affiliate Program. The Groove Affiliate Program has a high-paying commission that pays up to 40% on Tier 1 and 10% on Tier 2. They have a lifetime cookie and a unique assist program. The Groove Affiliate Program has automatic enrollment for existing Groove customers, and it works by giving away free accounts. Nothing could be easier for earning a recurring income for life. Check it out for yourself today. Follow the link. You need to click the link. Go on, click the link.
This has been a GrooveFunnels review video.